In front of me is Honor for 100, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by opening Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. When you're ready, you need to locate Auto Rotate shortcut. Then click on it. As you can see, my shortcut is gray, which means that auto rotation is now disabled. To enable it, click on the same shortcut until it's blue. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!